Hi guys, how are you? Here we have an Olivetti Lettera 25. Let me show it to you here. An Olivetti Lettera 25. People have asked me how to move it. I'm clicking here. And her car, I'll show you here. Go back. Her car won't move. So how do we get this thing to unlock? Let's put the camera right here on this side so you can see. Here on the right side of the machine there is this little piece here. This little piece here you just need. Pull up. I'll do it again. It's down and it's locked. When you lift it up it unlocks. Now when I click, let me show you.